Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for online banking account on Standard Chartered Bank of Singapore. Registering for any digital banking is the right decision if you want to access your account easily from anywhere online. For that, you have to go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search field, you can search for sc.com/sg/. By doing that, you will directly land onto the Standard Chartered Bank of Singapore page. Now, in order to register, you can go to the login option here and hover the cursor over it. Then choose the online banking login option from it. Once you tap on it, you land onto the sign-in page of Standard Chartered Bank of Singapore for online banking. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you can see you can either register with your SC ATM debit card or credit card, or you can register with a temporary ID or SMS PIN. Now if you choose to register with the SC ATM debit or credit card, then you'll need to have a mobile phone that is already registered with the bank. And you should either have ATM or debit card with PIN or credit card with PIN. Now if you have a mobile phone and ATM debit card or credit card, go and tap on the terms and condition I agree and tap on accept. Then you will be taken to the instant registration page where you have to enter your card details. So go and tap onto this bar and select your card type. If you choose to register with ATM or debit card, you have to enter your ATM or debit card number in here. Then enter your ATM PIN or debit PIN in here. Once done, go and tap on next. And similarly, if you choose to log in with a credit card number, then you'll have to enter your credit card number on the text field here. And if you're a customer without a bank account, then you will have to choose one of the following. And by tapping on next, you will land onto the verification page where you have to enter your mobile number in order to verify your identity. Now once you enter your mobile number, an OTP will be sent to your mobile. Enter this OTP in order to verify. Then you'll be taken to the login page where you have to create a unique username for yourself and then set a password. Once you are done creating a username and setting a password, then go and tap on next. And on the next page, go and tap on register or confirm in order to complete the registration. Once done, you'll have successfully registered for the Standard Chartered Bank of Singapore online banking. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.